Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to introduce a software that can scan all the comments from a TikTok video and send messages to those users automatically. As you can see on my screen, this is a TikTok video about travel. I want to scan all the people who commented on this video so I can send them a message. First, I will copy the TikTok video link. Then I go to the software, open Scan Functions, and select Scan Comments. Paste the TikTok link here to start scanning. You can actually add unlimited TikTok links in this section. Next, choose the number of comments you want to scan. Then click Start. The software will automatically scan all the comments for you. After the scan is finished, you will get an Excel file like this. Now simply copy the TikTok IDs from this file. Next, go back to the software. Click Message function and select Texting. Enter the message you want to send here. For example, I will type messages like hello or hi. You can also allow multiple accounts to send the same message content. Then paste the TikTok IDs that you copied earlier into this section before sending messages. You can also choose to interact with their video first if you want. After everything is set up, simply select the accounts and click Start. The software will automatically run and send the messages for you.